welcome, welcome, welcome. And to all our fellow artists, welcome as well. Okay, before we do start, my name is Colleen Perez and this is...
I'm Billy Gandoza from Artist Circle.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life.
Yes, congratulations to Skinlandia, to Noreen and everyone na bumubuo sa Skinlandia. Mabuhay kayo.
I'd like to thank and congratulate our incorporators, especially si Ms. Noreen. Thank you so much for having me here today.
Nagpapasalamat po ako, syempre, na kay Sir Rams and sa Skinlandia na nabigyan ako ng opportunity na makasama ang lahat ng tao na nandito.
So, nakakatawa and I pray po na maging successful ang business and more blessings, more clients. And I can't wait to experience the Skinlandia.
Thank you so much, Tita Noreen and Artist Circle for inviting me here to Skinlandia opening.
Gusto ko pong i-congrats si Tita Noreen, Skinlandia, sa opening po dito sa SM Fairview. Thank you so much po sa Skinlandia for having us and congratulations. Looking forward for more collaborations po.
Congratulations, of course, to Ms. Noreen. More expansion to come in the near future. Of course, Lord willing.
Just pray na mag-prosper tong ganitong business nyo, expanding on skin.
Hello po, congratulations to the opening of Skinlandia and also Nailandia katabi lang. So it's very convenient for a lot of people.
Thank you so much po sa opportunity na to. And Miss Noreen.
Skinlandia is officially open to serve you and make your skin look so beautiful. Always remember, the magic of Skinlandia is just here in SM City Fairview as the flagship store. And you can watch out for many other franchises very, very soon.
Miss Noreen, salamat. Junsin, Sir Junsin, thank you. Congratulations. More blessings po sa Skinlandia, sa Naillandia, at sa Heroes Barbers. Thank you. And Miss Sheer, thank you. Congratulations.
We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive.
We would like to invite you again please come visit us not only today but in the coming days and try all our services.
I would like to thank everyone who came here to celebrate with us with the opening of our clinic.
We are Cloud 7. Connection lights a spark, like you already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. Forget what other people say. We're living like this could be a final day. We're dreamers. Forget what the others say. We're doing this in our own way.
Salamat po sa pagdalo nyo sa amin, sa pakikisaya. At gusto ko lang po magpasalamat kay Lord kasi 6 years in the making po ang Skinlandia. So, eto na kami ngayon, after 6 years, 2024. Salamat kay Lord. Salamat po sa daddy ko. Always here for me, for us. Salamat sa mga partners. Dahil kung hindi sa mga partners, wala po ang Skinlandia. Si Sheer, nako, grabe. Mas excited pa yan mag-isip kaysa sa akin. Ang daming tulong ni si Sheer talaga. So kayo din mga artists, celebrities, mga press people, salamat po sa pagpunta, sa pakikisa sa amin. Pagpapatuloy pa po namin ang pag-aalaga sa inyo at magbubutihin pa po namin ang trabaho po namin. So God bless us all and have fun po kayo and let's party na po. Thank you so much.
We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight.